LME's clearly facing something of an existential crisis. They should have seen, arguably, a whale like Tsingshan from a mile away. What do they need to do to restore long-term confidence?
Long-term confidence in an exchange that's cancelled $3.9 billion of trades. I suspect that's a very difficult position to be in, and I'm not sure they will ever be able to recover from this situation. It's extremely disappointing that an exchange that I traded on for over 20 years was one of the biggest traders on the LME for. I have a lot of passion for. Very disappointing that they've got themselves in this position.
If there is a perception that the LME is irrelevant and has failed in its mandate as a platform to hedge and mitigate risk, Mark, then what's the alternative venue then for effective price discovery?
Well, I think when we get these sort of market disruptions, we need to look at the fundamental principles of what a commodity exchange is there to do. And for me, there's four underlying principles that you want from the LME or from any commodity exchange. So the first one of those is price discovery. We need a venue where willing buyers and willing sellers can come together, and where a price transacts basically is something that the physical users of the market, the producers, the people who produce nickel, the people who consume nickel, can say that's a representative price on a derivatives basis, which means I'm very happy to price my physical nickel against. The second thing is liquidity. It has to have sufficient turnover to give validity to that price discovery mechanism. The third thing for me is they've got to act as a trade guarantor. There's got to be a clearinghouse or a mechanism where if you buy or if you sell, you know you've bought or sold at a price. And the fourth thing, which isn't relevant in this case, but actually in terms of long-term validity is absolutely crucial, is they act as a buyer of last resort through the warehouse mechanism, so that anyone can always sell nickel and deliver to the warehouse, and there's always a price for a willing seller. And what we're seeing right now is the LME letting themselves down, I think, in several of those aspects. The price discovery mechanism, in my view, worked. There was 9,000 lots traded, 5,000 individual trades up to $100,000 a ton. There was plenty liquid. The day before they cancelled the contract, we've seen a 30 standard deviation move. In my view, the LME should have suspended the contract on Monday evening and not allowed it to open overnight. But as soon as they did allow it to open, and it was within the parameters that we'd seen trading in the preceding few days, I can't see any reason for cancelling the trades that they did actually cancel. And of course, they failed to act as a trade guarantor between willing buyers and willing sellers by cancelling those trades. In terms of confidence coming back into the exchange, I think it's a serious uphill task for them to basically get people to trust the exchange in the future.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.